For a long time, for actually more than 50 years, the default for outdoor spaces has been a neutral color palette. Warm whites, soft grays, beige tones, maybe some black accents. And there's a reason why that's been the default for so long. When you're investing in hardscape tile and stone finishes, you don't want to take a risk on something you can't easily replace. But that's starting to change. Especially over the last couple of years, the world is returning to full color. And now finally, we're starting to see that show up in the outdoors too. Homeowners are finally more open to incorporating color into the outdoor spaces, and they're asking us to expand their color palettes beyond the all neutral tones that are so often requested. The key is doing color the right way. Adding color doesn't mean making your yard loud or trendy. It means being strategic and using color in a way that makes your yard feel timeless. I'm going to show you how to bring color into your luxury palette without losing that luxury feel, where color belongs, what should stay neutral, and how to add personality without committing to bold choices that you might regret later. So what is this new color trend? Well, as I said earlier, a lot of what we're seeing is coming from interior spaces. And as always, the exterior should be a reflection and have cohesion with the interior. What does color really represent is a return to authenticity and personality. What I mean by that is that now there's a real push to make a space, whether it be interior or exterior, be an accurate reflection of who you are as a person. When we think of the 100% neutral aesthetic, that is something that is a bit more universal. It's very general, but because color is so personal, this is a way to express those feelings in your space. Now, it's very important to remember that as we are moving into the outdoor space, even if we are using color, we're not ever going to use as much color as we would in, say, an interior space where you could easily combine upwards of 3 or 4 colors in one space and still have it look very cohesive and very beautiful. And the reason for this being that in the outdoor space, we just don't have as many accessories like we would in, say, a living room or even a dining room or a bedroom. So there's not as many opportunities to use color. So we have to use it very strategically, and we want to make sure that it's never overwhelming. Now, I have a lot of clients say, I'm just so scared about color because I'm so scared I'm gonna pick something I regret or I'm gonna hate it after a couple months. So what I always say is start with the safest colors. Now, when I'm talking about color, I'm not talking about white, gray, and beige. These are found in every yard and they will exist in every yard just because they will be found in the stone tones or whatever hardscape we find, whether it be a wall or a floor, it will have to incorporate those natural tones. But what I'm speaking about are 2 specifically safe colors that are also found in the outdoors, and that's blue, reflected in the sky, and then green, reflected in all the foliage around you. So what are some actual ways you can use these? Well, blue and green do great as an accent tile. Right now we're using a lot of Zeliga tiles. These have so many beautiful shades of both blue and green, and they really can connect if you're going for, let's say, a more Tulum vibe, or you want something that's more Bali inspired. These work great for really capturing that more tropical or island aesthetic. It can be a very timeless choice and something that's not going to look dated within a few years. So I would say those are the 2 safest color choices. And if you want to go a step beyond, what are 2 other color choices that are also found in nature? And this would be shades of orange, which we can think rust. These work very well in, let's say, desert environments. A lot of desert sands have more orange, brown, rust tones. Yellow works especially good. It could be a very pale yellow, which would work great with a, let's say, Capri inspired yard, or even a more sunshine yellow, which would work beautifully in a Palm Springs inspired mid-century modern look. And if you want to go really bold, I propose the color red. Now, red is a very popular color at the moment. I personally love it. I would say that it is something that is a bit trendy and a little bit goes a long ways. And because this is more of a quote unquote high risk color, you could do something small by, let's say, making your seating areas with red cushions. If you have one item in any given space that's red, it works with any color palette. So let's say you're open to color. Where should you put it? Let me tell you the best places in your yard that you definitely won't regret even if you go a bit bolder. The first is an accent in your pool. There's a lot of amazing tile work you can put in your pool. It doesn't mean the entire pool needs to be tile. There's a lot of beautiful stripe designs, and you could even do this just on the Baja shelf or the surface of the spa. It's going to be that subtle detail that's going to elevate your design. Another great area to use colored tiles are in backsplashes for an outdoor kitchen. You could use it for the entire backsplash, or you could use it just for a portion. Now remember, the entirety of these structures don't have to be all in that color. You can always have an accent band. It really comes down to your level of comfortability with the color and how much of it you want to use. The safest place to use it is in seating cushions. These are something that naturally have a lifespan of maybe a few years and will get replaced. So really, even if it is something that's very trendy and of the moment, you can't go wrong. The sky's the limit, but this is a great way to express more of your personality and really play with color. Most of my clients are very cautious. People just feel like it can be overwhelming or it can easily look like too much. So a lot of people are a lot more conservative about it. So I strongly encourage you to be open to color and understand that it can be the thing that's separating your space from feeling flat to feeling a step above, to transporting you to recreating a specific vibe or location. And color is never something that we should be afraid of. Color can elevate your entire outdoor space when it's done right. If you're ready to work with our team to bring your new yard to life, click the link below to schedule a free design consultation call with our team today. Click here for a playlist of yard tours and more tips to help you with your yard. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure to check out this video that YouTube is recommending just for you.